Hi everyone, I am somewhere near Murray Street Mall. I was walking around and saw this very nice alleyway where there is this mural, quite a nice area to look at. In a moment, we will go to London Court, which is just next to this place. In front of us is the London Court. Oh, sorry. This place was built in 1937 and the architecture is the Tudor style architecture. One of the things that I think this place reminds me when I walk around here is that of Harry Potter. Hindi naman tayo makakalabas kasi Okay, now I'm going to walk around and check out all the shops around. Let's see what's here. The first thing that I noticed is that this place is quite well maintained. Everything looks so new. A souvenir shop on the right. You can get your souvenirs here if you want some souvenirs. This place is just located in the middle of the city, so it's quite amazing to be walking around here. That's the barber shop. There's another souvenir shop on the right in front of us. Let's have a look what's there on the display. This place is just so amazing that I had to walk through it again one more time just to enjoy the view. But this is from the other side. This is one of the most Instagrammable places in Perth. With cobblestone paths, intricate details and clocks along the way. Everyone here is just chilling and having a great time in their life. We are now close to the entrance of the other side. It's time to head out to the city and explore the other areas. We are now walking around the Hay Street Mall area here. 还没有，但是慢慢走。今天是比较多走路跟 maybe 去用 MRT 这样。GT Sport。什么？
哇，JT 都有这边，JT 他有没有跑这个？那我知道这铁车。
And my wife also had a study, and then she also completed.
Whoa, there is an escape room in front of us. Do you like escape rooms?
Security?
可以骂是他们的，好像 grocery 店的。不是在线，还在线。面包。
In front of us is the Perth Town Hall. Wow, that is one amazing town hall.
走走走走。走走走走。
Oh, what's special about this town hall? Completed in 1870, and it is the only town hall that was constructed by convicts.
Laser này, let's go. Okay. Đó. Chúng ta sẽ
这个有点 amazing。
unique ha. Ở this somewhere not big.
那啥呀？
Somewhere not big. And now we fix 那个 area. 你看它，这个都很大啊。
不高哎。
嗯。
Let's head to 160 Central and check it out and see what's inside here.
那个 Wise 的卡啊，它也是有个好处，它可以用 SATM。
我是他。
Wise 那个卡
有 charges 吗？
没有很低。啊。他说我来了这边啊。我是在想来整 set 的这样，又有一个椅子作为我们的。
什么？
啊，这个是 Murray area。Murray area。King Street。这好像有一个 museum park。
是吗？在里面？
不懂。
One thing that I noticed in Perth is that there are lots of Japanese restaurants here that serve fresh sashimi. This place is called the Wasabi Takeaway, and we're taking away some Japanese food. I saw another restaurant here that serves nice wraps, and I wanted to try one out here. After eating inside, it's time to go for more exploring around the city.
可以去东海城。
靠邊當太按都係咁樣特別嘅。
哇，小龙岛，它这很不是很
嗯。
你说他想去哪里吗？
什么东西？
去厕所。
是
哦，你要去什么地方来着？去这房间。
不是去找
他在那边，他在我们去的地方啊。
啊？不要看到。哦，可以把这边也是。过线，过线。那个很大的 mural art 哦，很大的 mural art。厕所在这边附近。Take right 的噻。
Like try to charge me.
It's not very far.
啊？还有什么？
这个想看刀子。
啊 ，Apple Store 啊。这是那个很高很高的 building， 从很远可以看得到。
什么 building？
它叫 Rio Tinto，你知道？
哇，看看这张，
前面这什么？
拍照。你找人穿这前面就是穿。
好笑。exercise 啊。
哦，他怎么跑那边过呢？
嗯。